My family was farmers. I was out in the country. I run tractors. I, mowed the grass, running on an old A tractor. And so I was around heavy equipment, but basically my whole life, loaders, tractors, trucks. So I have had experience before I even came here. Prior to coming here, I did construction, but I have my school bus and passenger endorsement. I have my Class A, tanker, hazmat endorsements, and I've kept them up to 26 years now. I knew of C&H for many, many years. I've always wanted to work here. They were hiring. I went online. I started on the egg cabin pedestals and I did a 3x3, which this 3x3 is 3 different positions that you would need to learn, or 3 different jobs. And then the team lead position come up. I wanted to get experience, wanted to learn more. So that's when I put in for it and was accepted for the position. I am the team lead for the egg cab line. I do the LDM board each day. With the LDM board, I analyze the safety, the quality, the delivery, and the profit. As the manufacturing associates come as a new hire or being moved into a different position, they have the training room here. As a team lead, we train them in the assembly of the transmissions, to the harness install into the cabs, to the hood supports over in the 3rd station. My team members do rely on me on a daily basis, relying on me for ordering parts, to giving them the labels, for the paperwork, to their paperwork, to do their paperwork. I try to be very hands-on, helpful, hoping that they feel comfortable enough to reach out to me if they ever need anything. My last supervisor was my mentor. He took me under his wing and taught me a lot of what I know today. If I was to say I would have a future goal, it would probably be to try and sometime, maybe the opportunity ever arises, to be a supervisor. As a young girl, being around these tractors, it is such an honor to be here helping build these tractors now. When you're here, you see what it all contains. The raw material to, the sheets of metal, to the painting, to the welders, to the main line, assembling them all and then getting drove off. It's quite an accomplishment. What advice I would give any woman coming into the manufacturing field: that you have the opportunity of making it as any other man in this field. From team lead to a supervisor to just even being a MA welder, machinist, they make it happen. You make it happen.